the majestic moose, nature's gentle giants. Unveiling the mysteries behind the strength and symbolism of moose.
By AI for Kids. Welcome to the world of the moose, nature's majestic and gentle giants. Through these pages, we'll journey into the forests, exploring their habits, unique traits, and cultural significance. This story showcases the impact moose have on their ecosystem and the delicate balance they maintain. May you find inspiration in the wonders these creatures embody, reminding us all of our duty to preserve the spaces they call home. Presented by YSK Publishing Group.
Moose, majestic giants of the forest.
In the calm of the boreal forest, the moose stands as a majestic figure, its towering height and grand antlers casting a noble silhouette against the lush green. These giants of the deer family are masters of their domain, thriving in a habitat rich with trees and shrubs that provide ample sustenance. As herbivores, they feed on willows and aspens, while their long legs allow them to wade through wetlands with ease. Their habitat in North America and Eurasia is crucial, offering both the food and cover needed for their survival.
The moose's presence in the forest is both commanding and serene, a true emblem of wilderness. Echoes of the forest whisper tales of survival and harmony, a life intertwined with seasons.
The art of feeding, a moose's diet.
Moose, the largest of the Cervidae family, are herbivorous spirits of the forest. They browse through a smorgasbord of plant life, willows, aspens, and aquatic vegetation during the warm months. Their massive size belies a diet that's simple yet effective. Grazing dawn and dusk, these gentle giants demonstrate the balance of nature as they uphold the cycle of life by consuming just what they need. With an appreciation for underwater plants, moose can submerge themselves for sustenance, illustrating their adaptability and respect for the Earth's provisions.
In its daily routine, a moose reveals the artistry of nature, each mealtime a testament to harmony. I take only what I need, and in return, the earth provides bountifully.
Silent wanderers, moose behavior.
Solitude is a companion moose know well, with their solitary nature becoming a crux of their identity. Typically alone except in the warmth of spring or the fervor of the rut, moose lead lives often unseen in the wilderness. Active in the cool hours of dawn and dusk, they meticulously wander through their territories, silently adapting to seasonal changes without migrating far. This routine is dictated by the whispering winds and the rustling leaves, all the elements of their forest home.
The moose moves with the rhythm of the forest, a dance of silence and discovery. In solitude, I find peace and understanding in the world around me.
The rhythm of life, moose reproduction.
As autumn paints the forest gold, the rhythm of life intensifies for the moose. The rut, a period of fervent energy, sees bulls become bold and assertive, vying for the attention of cows. Nature's seasonal symphony plays out as these gentle giants engage in timeless rituals of courtship. With a gestation of 8 months, spring heralds new life, and with it, the forest echoes the tender sounds of calves. This cycle of life is both ancient and beautiful, underscoring the resilience and continuity of nature.
The changing seasons bring with them stories of birth and renewal, the moose a part of life's enduring melody. In the dance of seasons, love finds its place amidst ancient traditions.
Ecosystem engineers, the moose's role.
Moose are far more than majestic figures, they are key ecosystem engineers. Through their browsing, they shape vegetation structure and aid in forest regeneration. As primary prey for predators like wolves and bears, particularly vulnerable calves, they are integral to the food web. Their presence enriches biodiversity, ensuring the balance and health of their habitats. By impacting vegetation, they inadvertently govern the distribution and abundance of other species, ultimately contributing to the intricate tapestry of life.
Beneath the moose's mighty presence lies a role crucial to ecological harmony and biodiverse vibrancy. I walk this land not just for me but for every living thing that calls it home.
Guardians of wilderness, moose conservation.
Though moose populations are stable, the challenges they face are mounting. Climate change, disease, and habitat loss threaten their existence in certain regions. Conservation efforts focus on balancing these pressures with their need for vast, unspoiled forests. By raising awareness and protecting their habitats, we ensure these icons of the northern wilderness continue to thrive. The future of moose rests, partially, in our hands. A call to safeguard and respect this living legacy.
The moose stands as a symbol of resilience and hope, urging mankind to tread lightly upon the earth. In our unity lies strength, an endless bond of respect and hope for tomorrow.
Timeless tales, moose in culture.
Moose occupy a sacred space in the culture and history of indigenous peoples across North America. Revered as symbols of strength and endurance, they appear in folklore and traditions as wise and compassionate figures. Beyond their symbolic presence, they have been vital to survival, providing food, clothing, and tools. Emerging through stories passed down generations, moose continue to inspire awe and reverence, embodying a profound connection to the land and its ancestral spirit.
In timeless stories, the moose walks alongside man, a partner in the dance of life. Every tale shared is a bond strengthened, a history embraced.
A gentle giant, unique traits of the moose.
The moose, with its imposing size and gentle demeanor, is a creature of contrast and wonder. Excelling in swimming, these giants can submerge completely to browse underwater plants, a testament to their adaptability and survival instinct. Their broad antlers, an iconic feature, not only define their physical majesty but also play a role in mating rituals. Through these unique attributes, moose captivate our imagination and affirm that nature's wonders are vast and varied.
In every aspect, the moose reflects nature's creativity, blending strength with grace, power with gentleness. To be strong yet gentle, visible yet elusive, an enduring paradox of nature.